Alright, let's solve this inequality step by step, gradually, and it's not difficult. What you do under these scenarios is to remove the fraction, and you look at the denominator, which is 5, 4, and 2. So what is the LCM of 5, 4, and 2? Their LCM is 20. So we are going to multiply all through by 20. So when 20 is multiplied by this, we are going to have 8 into the bracket of x plus 3 plus the bracket. Why do we get 8? Because if you have 20 here, 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. That's okay. Which is plus 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Less than or equals to 20 divided by this is 10. Put the 10 here. Open the bracket. X plus 1. Close the bracket. Please, if you are confused, you can drop any questions in the comment section so that I will come back and attend to it. So from this point, you need to remove the bracket. Now, removing the bracket, we're going to have 8x. Okay, so what we have now is 8x plus 24 plus 15x minus 15 less than or equals to 10x plus 10. At this point, we collect like terms. Like terms will help us to bring those that carry x and those that are ordinary number to the left hand side and to the right hand side. Let's do that. We have 8x plus 15x minus 10x. Why minus? Because it's crossing equality sign from the right hand side to the left hand side. Now we have less than 10, then plus 15. Why plus 15? Because on the left hand side here, it carries negative sign. As it's moving to the right hand side, the sign will change to positive sign. Then plus 24 is going to be minus, then minus 24. The same rule is applicable to all. So at the end, we are going to have 8x plus 15x, that is 23x, minus 10x. We'll be left with 13x, less than or equals to 1. Because 10 plus 15 is 25, minus 24 is 1. Divide both sides by 13. Why 13? Because 13 is carrying x, and x is the value of the unknown we are looking for. And so when you divide by 13, both sides by 13, so at the end, we're going to cancel like this, cancel this. We are left with x. That means x is equals to 1 over 13. Sorry, not equals to, less than or equals to 13. And now let's look at equation 2. Equation 2, we're going to remove, before the bracket, we have to remove this fraction. 1 over 2 is a fraction. And you do that by multiply all through by 2. Because 2 is the denominator. So when you multiply 2 by this, we're going to have 4. Less than or equals to, open the bracket, 2x minus 5. Why do I arrive at this? Because we multiply all through by 2 so that we can remove the fraction parts. Remove the fraction part, because if you multiply 2 by 1 over 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, so there's 1 here. There's no need of writing this one here. If you are confused, do let me know. Now we can remove this bracket comfortably by having 4 times 3x, it will be 12x plus 4 times 1, that is 4, less than or equals to 2x minus 5. Collect like terms as we do in the first question. That will be 12x minus 2x less than or equals to minus 5. Okay, this plus 4, as it's crossing to the right hand side of the inequality sign, the sign will change from positive to negative to minus 4. At this end, 12x minus 2x will be having 10x less than or equals to minus is plus, but that does not remove the negative sign. That means we'll be having minus 9. Then divide both sides by x will be divide both sides by 10, then our x will be less than or equals to minus 9 over 10 as the final answer. Once you are confused, please do let me know. It's very simple. Thank you.